Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn about the 5 best Roblox plugins for building. So firstly, we have to open Roblox Studios to see the best plugins available for building. So we'll just open Roblox Studios firstly. Then let's go into one of my creation games. Now let's go to the plugins menu. The first plugin we'll be seeing is Auto Scale Lite. What this does is essentially scale up every aspect of the game to the need of a mobile device and a mobile screen. So if I bring up a frame on my screen, then test it on a mobile device, I'll see that it scales perfectly with a mobile device, which is essentially done by the plugin. After that, another great tool for building will be the extended materials. With the extended material, you can change the surface of any material in the game to whatever you prefer. So if I select a surface, suppose this one, and select any other surface, it will match the color and then change the surface according to your need. After that, we'll be seeing Archimedes plugin. What this does is it can copy an object to your need, and you can also choose the angle of its render, as well as how much or what amount would you like to render it. So I can just align differently, flip an object, as well as change its direction, and also change the amount it will be rendered. So if I click render now, you'll see that a new car has been rendered in its position. Another great plugin would be the Building Tunes by S3X. With this, you can change the placement of any object in the game according to your need. So if I want to move the car to the ground to the right, I'll just drag it with this plugin, then align it to the ground. It is most advantageous for its accuracy. And lastly, the plugin we'll be seeing is a Studio Build Suite or SBS. With this, we can change the ratio of an object as well as its position and its view. So if I want to move the object to left and right, I can do it. Furthermore, I can duplicate it with any scale we want. So if I want to double the size of the cat, I can do it, then move it on one side, but the original cat will still remain. So by this we can manipulate various objects, and it will be crucial for our building in Roblox. So these are the 5 best plugins for your building purposes in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.